Hey budgeties, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name's Mo. I'm 27. Whoa, I don't know why I couldn't remember how old I was. And I'm working on my financial freedom journey. Happy February, happy Black History Month, happy the month of love, because I do love some Valentine's Day. Anywho, we're getting over our January budget, which means we have to close out the budget. I got some crazy numbers. You see this right here? This is a number. This is an accurate number, but we're gonna calculate this number together because it's crazy, okay? It's crazy. Anyways, so the moral of this, I try to go ahead and close out my budget based off of what I budgeted for my monthly, as well as what I did for each paycheck, right? A lot of times, unfortunately, my budget don't be mathing, okay? The monthly close up, it just don't be mathing. I try my best. I do the best I can with what I got. And that's what we're gonna do in this video. So first things up is the income. So I went ahead and said $3,600 was the full-time job income. I was thinking around $1,800 per each check, not including the top of the year raise that I received. But in fact, I ended up making more from that. And my second income was like YouTube. So let me tell you what I made. I actually made from my second paycheck $19.55. Can you guys even see that? Y'all want me to zoom y'all in? Say less. I heard you. Okay, so for my first paycheck, I made, let's do first, really? $1,886.76. Then we're gonna add the second full-time paycheck, which is $1,955.66. Boom, $3,842.42. This was my YouTube check. So we're gonna say plus 136.44. $3,978.86. Who's mad? Not me. Okay, so my total here of my actual, which I think I'm gonna write in a different color, because y'all know I like to do that from time to time. From 10 to 10. I like them. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put 3,978.86 because I write too big. And my YouTube check was $136.44. So that's what I'm gonna put for the second one. $136.44. And then let's subtract that from here. Minus 136.44. So that's $3,842.42, which came from my full-time job. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the 0 for the starting, and it was $3,842.42. I made that fit in. Okay, so here we are. This is my actual and my factual. So here we go with the bills. The phone bill was $131. It was, I don't know, it fluctuates from time to time depending on if somebody goes over their data. I have unlimited data, but my mom doesn't. So when I say someone, mom, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you. This is full circle because when I was a kid, she used to, well, not a kid, but when I was in high school and we just started out with this data plan type stuff, she was on me about the data, y'all. Now look. Who's doing it now? Okay, so my phone was actually, it was a little over, but I had a little bit of cushion. So I only took $131 actually from this paycheck. If y'all picking up what I'm putting down. Okay, so then my orthodontist, that's a straight $126. It comes straight out of my credit card, which I like that. Like, give me my credit card points and pay my bill. I'm cool with that. Okay. So my streaming services it's like not $8, it's like $7.99. Because I have the $1.99 for Hulu, and then I have the $5 from Apple Music, and then I also found out that I was paying a cloud space charge, only like an extra $1. So I'm actually pretty accurate with this $8, and I'm gonna keep that there. All right. Life insurance comes out like clockwork, y'all. $9.50. Car insurance, we're gonna keep that blank. Electricity, it was paid, y'all. It was paid. Internet was also paid. Okay. We're keeping the car insurance there because we got to get into this, which I spent a lot of money on. So yeah, okay. So his and hers, I for sure did $100. 52-week savings, I definitely did the 76, and I definitely did $100 for the $10 challenge. We got to get into this food. So you're thinking, girl, what's up? Talk to me, and I will. Okay. So I went ahead and wrote out my transactions for my food off camera because yikes. I did do it opposite order because I was reading my credit card statement. So January 7th, I sent my boo $250 because I was not in the States. And like I said, he's paying them, I was gonna say mortgage. Ooh, I like that. I like the way it rolls off my tongue. He's paying the rent. So I gave him $250. Now, did it work? Did he spend extra? I don't know. We got to talk about these things. But that was $250. Then I spent another $17.42 plus $27.29. And this is when I was back, okay? Plus $66. Jesus. $66.71. Plus $13.49 plus $180. That was that next paycheck. $39 plus $40.78 plus $13.95. $610. Can I say that? Let me show you. $610.03. That's a lot of money for food. Number one. Number two, besides the fact that I'm used to just like feeding myself and not also a grown man. Besides that fact, we also have two completely different, I don't know what a meal patterns, because so I'm a pescatarian and then he's not. He eats chicken and beef and steak, like, and those things, I didn't realize how much those things cost, but he's not the problem, y'all. It's me. Eggs has gone up. Vegetables are ridiculously highly priced. Fruit is ridiculously high. So for this month, the month of February, your girl's trying to do something different, okay? I have been like looking up coupons, figuring out how I can reduce my dang on food budget because I don't have it. Well, you know, I got it, and thank you, God, but I don't got it, okay? Like, I'm not about to keep doing that, y'all. I'm stressed. We're gonna write this in black because what? Okay, so I ended up spending $610.03. Yikes. Okay, and then we're gonna put the $700 for the, okay, my bad. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and put the $700. And why did I do this? Because I think I only gave my car insurance actually $100. That was why. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this up. Looking over at my notes. Okay, so we have 131 plus 126 plus $8 plus $9.50 plus 100 plus 140 plus 51. So that's $565.50. Okay, if you guys know any way to save some money, you know what I'm saying, with food, let a lady know, okay? She just needs to know these things. Okay, so I'm gonna subtract that from $3,978.86. That's $3,413.36 left over. So we're gonna write 3,413.36. Fingers crossed, I can't do it on that hand. Fingers crossed, the math will be mathing. Okay, so then we have this over here. So we have $610.03, and we're plusing 700. Just to make sure I'm right, 610.03 plus 700. Okay, plus 100 plus 76 plus 100. So that's $1,586.03. So we're gonna 1,586.03. So we're gonna take that and we're gonna subtract that from $3,413.36. $13.36. Did I do that right? Let's do it again. $3,413, can't even read my own handwriting. $3,413.36. And we subtract it from $1,586.03. That's $1,827.33. $1,827.33. Okay. So next things next, we have the emergency fund. This is also, I guess you can call me closing out these, because you know. So I didn't even give what I thought I was gonna give. So I only gave my emergency fund $135, which is no bueno. But you know what? I'm doing the best I can with what I got. No, it's not even an excuse. It's really just gotta do better. Okay, 135. Then let's get to IRA. I don't even think I did that. So I did $20 in IRA. That was it. $20. And then we get to the M1. I also did $20. I don't think I did the second paycheck. Nope. Okay, then we get to Fidelity, and I for sure put 1,000. That's 500. And then 500. That was a really big goal for me. So this right here is 1,000. Ooh, this is going out. Okay, let me chill out on you. So we have 1,000 plus $40 plus 135. That's $1,175. I don't know if y'all can see that. $1,175. All right, is the total. I was super ambitious, and I shot for the moon, and I land on my face. I'm just joking. I know they say shoot for the stars, land on the moon. Shoot for the moon, land on the stars. Something like that. I didn't do that. I did something, but here we are. So that's $1,175. We're gonna subtract $1,175 from the $1,827.33. That's $652.33 left over. You're like, where is this going? You're gonna see. So $652.33. So next up we have debt. Let's write this all in pink, because all of this was not calculated for me originally. So I did not plan on spending so much money on debt and credit card, but when I went, I think I told you guys, January, my mom had a heart surgery, so I did go out of state to go be with my mom, and y'all, the money I spent was a lot. And I didn't even really calculate it too much because it was kind of like last minute. I don't know how to explain. But like I said, I'm grateful to the Lord that I have the ability to just go and do things like that and help out family. See, that's what financial freedom is. At least that's how I feel. It's not really that much of a freedom at the moment because I do got to pay it back and worry a little bit. But for me, financial freedom is being able to take off of work and literally go for 2 weeks to another state to tend to my family members, to my mom, and help nurse her back to health. Stuff like that. You know what I mean? Anyways, because I'll get in a whole spiel. Okay, so that's $652 plus $120. Y'all, this is how much I've sent to my credit card. Because when I say it was a zero-based budget and Mo got $0, including my YouTube, I usually try to invest my YouTube, but I didn't even do it because I knew I had so much debt from being out of town. So I wanted to address it, and I'm not even done, but that covered a lot of it. Not gonna lie, it did, but I still got a couple $100. So my credit card got like $532 even. I'll keep it 33 cents due to the fact that I know I got like 70 cents, 40 cents, something like that on my account. That's a 3 and a 3. If you think it's a grasshopper, don't play with me. I'm just talking. Okay, so listen, it's $532, and we're gonna plus 120. That's $652 that went towards debt. That was not planned. You know what? We'll just say 652. Because I did say what I said. I said I was gonna write all of this in pink, and what I do, not do it. Ugh, gotta do better. Okay. So this is something that was completely different. This was something that was also different. This $100 was different. This $20 was different. $135 was lower. I reached my investment goal. Didn't put as much towards my car insurance. Put way too much towards food. God's working on me. A lot towards debt. That was not planned. But when in doubt, figure it out and do what you got to do. So those are the things that I did different for my actual monthly budget. And it actually, the math does math. I probably do not have $0 in my account. Like when I first come on, I probably have like $5 or so. But when I say all of the dollars went on my credit card, and due to the fact that, like I said, I still have a couple or like high twos, maybe low $300 that I still owe on it, I really need to do a credit card deep dive with y'all because yikes. But like I said, that's a part of financial freedom. Some people's financial freedom is taking care of their children, taking care of their home, make sure they have somewhere to stay. I mean, those things are definitely important. But right now for me, or at least at the top of the year in January, for me, what was important was tending to my mom as she has her surgery. And I was able to do that. Like I said, last minute, unplanned, all of that. And I spent a lot of money in the process. But anyways, here is my January closeout budget. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me some tips, some tricks on how to save money. I'm looking up coupons with food, but y'all, the struggle is struggling, but not for long, because I do not claim the struggle. I'm not friends with the struggle. I don't even really know the struggle for real. We waved at each other a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But we don't know each other. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this budget. I hope you guys close out your January budget. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, budgies.